Good morning. This is Mrs. King, and we're looking at this page in your student book. It's page 17 in the Bridges student book, because it says at the top, use 36 tiles to build each rectangle below. After you build each rectangle, lay red linear pieces along the left side and the top, then write in the missing dimensions on the sketches below. So what I've done is I started with number 5. That was just the easiest for me to put on the document camera. And I noticed that there's 6 at the top. So I wanted to make sure I had 6 little pieces at the top here. And then I was going to fill in my rectangle or box based on 36 tiles. When I counted out 36 tiles and I did 6 at the top, I realized that I also have 6 on the bottom. So you can follow along with me on this video and you can fill in the missing numbers with me. So now I know 6 times 6 is 36, and I'll make that a little bit closer so you can see it. So the missing number is 6. Okay, so now I'm going to do number 4. So I'm going backwards. So I still have 36 tiles here, but I'm going to change it now to 12 on this side and see what happens over here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 now. So I am going to put all of these. I'm just going to match them up because I know I've got one number is 12. So I'm just going to put my tiles here like this. Now, on your slide today, there is an online manipulative program where you can use these tiles that I'm using to make these boxes. So you can try that if you want. If this is confusing to you and you're still not understanding, then go ahead and try that with the tiles. And then I'm going to put my little pieces up here to kind of count. These little pieces are just there to count the sides and to count the top. Okay. And I probably need more little pieces down the side here. So I'm going to grab them. So I've got 3 on this side, and I know that my top is 12. So that can help me here, knowing that 3 times 12 is 36. Now, you may know this already without using the blocks, but visually, you want to understand how multiplication and the area model work. So then when you have harder numbers, more digits, it becomes clearer in your head. Okay, so now it says I'm going to do 4 on the side. So I'm going to do 4 on the side like that. So I'm going to move my tiles together. So I have 4 on the side, but I have to make sure they're equal on the top because I'm still making a rectangle. So I'm just going to move these tiles around and look at that. Now I can take these 3 away here, and I'm going to count how many I have on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I know my missing number is 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, so I've got a couple more here. They're going to be even longer and skinnier rectangles. So I know now I'm going to have 2 on the side. So I'm going to move these up here like this. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you're going to be able to see them all on the screen. I hope you will. Let's see if I move 2 there, 2 there, 2 over here. It's going to go off the screen. Let me see if I can do this. Oh, my document camera doesn't go any further. So I will just have to tell you here. When I do that, you probably already know I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 at the top. So 2 times 18 is 36. Now, if I were to line up all my tiles and I only have 1 row, of course, that would be 1 times 36 is 36. Okay. Now, the question is, what are the factors of 36? The factors of 36 are, if I just look at what my boxes make, these are all boxes like we did the tea lights yesterday. If you're putting boxes together of objects and there's 36 objects, you would have a box that could be 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 4 and 9, 3 and 12, and 6 and 6. Now, I want you to answer this on your own. Is 36 a prime or a composite number? How do you know? Okay, so you're going to justify how you know whether 36 is a prime or a composite number. Okay. Thanks for watching the video with manipulatives. You can fill this out on paper, or there's actually a Kami assignment in Google Classroom that you can do. You can also go to the manipulatives and move tiles around to make different combinations of numbers if you need to in your practice. So thanks for watching and have a great day.